Good afternoon. Today I would like to introduce you to Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble is not a man of many words, but he once stated, "The romance of science lies in its explorations. Equipped with his five senses, man explores the universe around him and calls the adventure science." This quote represents how the mind of a person seeks adventure. A person's drive to discover new and exciting things is led mainly by one's curiosity. In one word, I would describe Edwin Hubble as intelligent, because he gave scientists a better idea of the size and age of the universe. He lived from November 20th, 1889 to September 28th, 1953. His hometown was in Marshfield, Missouri, but he also lived in Oxford, England, Pasadena, California, and Chicago, Illinois. In Marshfield, he grew up with his 6 other siblings. An incident from Hubble's youth I found interesting was that for his 8th birthday, his grandfather built him a telescope. With this telescope, he was able to observe the night sky, and slowly his interest in astronomy grew. After that day, Hubble knew that he wanted to become an astronomer when he grew up. Little did he know, he would become the person that would change the way scientists work for decades to come. Later in Edwin's life, he faced the challenge of getting a scholarship to his dream college in Oxford, England. He overcame this obstacle by doing well in school. He took many different classes like geometry, algebra, and chemistry. He also took languages like Latin, Greek, and French. Hubble studied hard and eventually got the scholarship. Another obstacle Hubble faced was during World War I when he had to join the Army. At this time, he was accepted to work for Edwin B. Frost at Mount Wilson Observatory. He went off to war at the end, but his work was extraordinary. His position for the job was held for him. Hubble's accomplishments were astounding. In fact, his studies led to prove the Big Bang Theory and how the universe is expanding. He used special telescopes that would show the redshift of light, telling him the distance is growing between galaxies. He also helped prove that there were other galaxies besides the Milky Way. In the world of science is different because Edwin Hubble lived. His studies answered questions that would have been left unsolved without him. The symbol I gave Hubble is the Hooker telescope in Mount Wilson Observatory. I gave him this symbol because he used this for many of his life-changing discoveries. Edwin Hubble is truly a person of intelligence who changed the world for the better. He impacted the world's thoughts on the mystery that is our universe.